Hello, Analytical Mind. Welcome to Elevation of Digital. Elevation of Digital is a data-driven digital marketing agency. We provide a lot of digital marketing services such as Google Ads, Google Stack Manager, Google Analytics 4, server-side tracking, Facebook Ads, Facebook Pixels. So in this video, I will show you how to enable Google Ads conversion tracking. So this is our e-commerce website. So in this video I will explain how to connect Google Ads conversion tracking with Enhance. So this is a e-commerce website, so our conversion will be as a purchase. So we'll connect the Google Ads conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager. So this is our Google Tag Manager and this is our Google Ads account. Okay, so in this we have already implemented the Google Ads Google Tag Manager in this website. So if I click this extension and enable and reload, then we will get the Google Tag Manager code. So this is our Google Tag Manager code. So at first we will preview the from Google Tag Manager in this website. Then we have to make sure the detailer is enabled in there or not. Okay, so I have preview this site through Google Tag Manager. This debugger is connected. Continue. Okay, so we will now purchase a product. So this is our product. Add to cart and check out. So now we will put our informations. Continue to payment. So this is our demo store. Let's try the bogus payment in there. Test 27 111. Okay, now play now. Okay, finally the purchase is completed and this is the thank you URL. So now we'll check in the preview mode. Okay, the purchase event is fired in there. So this is the data layer in there. So our e-commerce transaction ID, value, item ID, everything is on there. So now we will pull up all data from this data layer and then implement variables and then implement the Google Ads conversion tracking through Google Tag Manager. So we have already made these variables by this data layer. So this is our variables. So we have already added the city, country, the currency, and the total value. So if I click this value, then we will understand the e-commerce value. So this is e-commerce and this is the value. This is value. So now we will now create a Google Ads conversion tracking tag. So this is at Google tag, and we have to create a Google tag at first. So if I click this Google tag, so this is the tag ID. So how will get the Google tag ID? So we have to go in this tools and Google tag. Okay, so now we'll go to the Google tag and then we'll copy the tag ID from there. It takes time. Okay, so manage Google tag. Okay, so this is our tag ID. We'll copy the tag ID from there and the paste ID. So Google tag. Okay, triggering will be for all pages. So now save it. So our Google tag is connected and now we will create another tag. So this is your Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, so at first we have to create in the Google Ads conversion tracking linker. So this is the show this pop-up. We'll click the create and just it is already connected. The trigger is always then save it. Save. So and then we have to put the conversion ID. So how you will get the conversion ID? We will go to the goals and summary of Google Ads. Create a new conversions. We will configure for this website. So we will click this website and we will copy the website URL. So this is our website. Okay, copy the URL from there and paste it, scan. So we will set manually Google conversion tracking. See more settings. Okay. Add conversion manually. Okay, so manually we will select the goal. So our goal is first says the conversion name. So this is the conversion name. We can just complete order. Okay, so the value will be the different, use different value for each conversion, and this is the default value 1, and discount it will be the for parses the free, and if we use the 1, and this is reverse for a lead sign up and other platform. So we will, this is e-commerce website, so we will choose the every. Okay, so now we will save it. Okay, and now we'll save and continue. Save and continue. Oh, so this is different part, so we'll just skip and save and continue. So now we will implement through Google Tag Manager. So click the Google Tag Manager. So this is our conversion ID, so we have to put the conversion ID in there, and the conversion label. So this is the conversion label, and value we have already create a variable, so this will be the value. So this is the DLV value. Transaction ID, so sorry, transaction ID, this is your transaction ID, and currency, see your currency, DLV currency. And now we will implement the enhance. So okay, so if you click on the include user provided data from your websites, and Google will only use the data you share to provide your service, including technical support. Google will not share your data with others advertisers, so this is very restricted. And so you have to click on the pop-up, and we will get a variables. So if you click these variables, then we will get a few fields. This is the email, so we have already created an email. This is phone number, so this is phone, and this is the first name, your first name, last name is straight. So this is the address. Okay, city, we will click a city. Region, we can also use state. Okay, and so this is the country, so this will be the country and the postal code. This is our postal code. Okay, so all things is now we will just save it, approve as user data, and save. Okay, so our enhanced conversion tracking is already set. Now we will create trigger. Okay, so click the triggers and custom event. So if the event name is purchase, we will just copy the purchase and save purchase and save it. Okay, and save Google conversion tracking is save. And we have to turn on the Google Ads, and now conversion tracking the save and continue done. And now we will click to settings, and we have to turn on and the enhance conversion. So you will click to the enhance conversion. So this is already turn on. Okay, and enhance for lead, so this is will be for lead generation, so this is not our concern. Okay, so now we'll just publish and just close it, and now we'll check if this is working or not, and we will go to the summary. Okay, so this is a troubleshoot. Now we will preview, click the preview, and we'll check it actually this is working or not. So click connect, and this is already connected, the debugger mode. Connect. Okay, So we will purchase the product again. So this the price is 770. Add to cart, checkout, and this is the form. This is our personal informations, the shipping address, continue, card number, test, 111. Pay now. Okay, our purchase is completed and it's processed. Okay, so the purchase is completed and the purchase is fire, and the police confirmation also fire. So if you click this, okay, so our wall data is in there, and the user provided data in the enhanced data, the full phone number. We did not use the phone number, that's why it's blank. The first name, last name, this. Okay, click the see more, then we will understand our conversion value, the conversion ID. Okay, and this is the conversion level, this is the cookie with the GCL ID. Okay, so everything is okay. And now we will go to the Google Ads, and if you just refresh the container, then it's, I think it will be active and will send it no recent conversion. Okay, so this is finally this completed, no recent conversion. So when we will run the Google Ads, the conversion will be count. Okay, so everything is okay. So in this process you can set up the Google Ads conversion tracking as well as okay, see it's already working. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn more about Google Tag Manager, Google's Analytics for web analytics, then consider subscribing to the channel. My name is Arafat and this is Elevation or Digital. So stay connected to watch this next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.